Hello dear students, have you ever thought about when would be a chemical reaction or a process spontaneous, non-spontaneous, or the process is at equilibrium? For that particular case, we need to study chemical thermodynamics. Now, what is this chemical thermodynamics all about? Let's consider certain examples. We have the first example, that is the burning of coal. In this particular reaction, there is the generation of heat. In the second example, that is the burning of candle, it results into the formation of heat as well as light. Now, if we react zinc with copper sulfate solution, it results into the generation of electricity. So from these examples, it's clear that whenever a process or a reaction takes place, it's always accompanied by energy changes. Such a branch that deals with the energy changes accompanying all types of physical and chemical properties, we call it chemical thermodynamics. In fact, thermodynamics consisting of two words. One is thermo, that means heat, and dynamics indicates motion. So there it is, heat in motion. So we can convert one form of energy into another form of energy. As you can see from the examples, that chemical energy has been converted into heat in the first example. In the next case, it's converted into heat and light. And in the third example, chemical energy has been converted into the electricity. Such a branch is referred to as chemical thermodynamics. Now, what can we have from this chemical thermodynamics? This chemical thermodynamics is actually based on certain laws which are known as the laws of thermodynamics. These laws are actually axioms like Newton's laws, which indicates that nothing is contrary to these laws. Thermodynamics discusses the properties of bulk matter and not the properties of individual atoms or molecules. Thermodynamics helps us to predict the feasibility of a process. That is, whether the process takes place or not. Whether the process is spontaneous, it will occur of its own or by proper initiation, or it is non-spontaneous, does not take place at all, or when would be a process at equilibrium. But this thermodynamics does not tell anything about the rate and mechanism of a chemical process. Moreover, this thermodynamics helps us to predict the extent of process. That is, before equilibrium is attained, how far the reaction has taken place. That we can take care of by means of a constant that's called equilibrium constant that has got the relationship with Gibbs free energy. We shall be talking about that hopefully in the next segments. Now, before analyzing the feasibility of a process or the extent of that process, we need to study the basics of thermodynamics, that is the certain terms like what do you mean by system, surroundings, and all that. We shall be talking about these terms hopefully in the next lecture. Till then, take good care of yourselves. Thank you very much.